Friends, today I will discuss about reciprocal and division of a fractional numbers. You know that when the product of two fractions is 1, then each fraction is called the reciprocal of other. For example, when you multiply 2 by 3 and 3 by 2, 2 by 3 multiply 3 by 2. 3 1 j 3, 2 1 j 2 equal to 1. You know that the product of 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 is 1. So the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2 and the reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Why does not exist? Any fraction multiplied by 0 is 0, not 1. So always remember 0 has no reciprocal. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Now worksheet 10, page 66. 12 by 5. The reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12 by 1, that is 12. The reciprocal of 8 is 1 by 8. The reciprocal of 3 whole 5 by 8 is equal to 29 by 8 is, first of all, convert mixed number in improper fraction, then write the reciprocal. So the reciprocal of 29 by 8 is 8 by 29. Now question number 2. Find the which pair of fractions are reciprocal to each other. So question number 2a, 1 by 2. When you multiply 1 by 2, multiply 2, you will get 1. So S, the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. B, 3 by 2 multiply 3 by 2 equal to 3 3 is 9 by 4 does not equal to 1. The product of two fractions does not equal to 1. So 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 are not the reciprocal of each other. Similarly, question number E, 5 whole 1 by 3 and 16 by 3. When you multiply 5 whole 1 by 3 and 16 by 3, you will get 256 by 9, which is not equal to 1. So the reciprocal of 5 whole 1 by 3 is not 16 by 3. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 3a, 1 by 8 multiply 8 equal to 1. B, 1 by 3 multiply 3 equal to 1. C, so always remember the product of two fractions is equal to 1, then each fraction is called the reciprocal of other. Now division of fractional numbers. To divide, first change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. First change division sign to multiplication sign and multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. Now worksheet 11, page 69, divide 1a, 1 by 5 divided by 3. The here divisor is 3. So first of all, change the division sign to multiplication sign and multiply the reciprocal of the divisor 3. So it can be written as 1 by 5 multiply the reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 into 1 1, 5 3 is 15. Similarly, you can do B, C, D. So question B equal to 2 whole 4 by 5 divided by 6 equal to first change the mixed number into improper fraction. The 2 whole 4 by 5 can be written as 14 by 5 division sign change into multiplication sign and write the reciprocal of divisor 6. The reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6, so it can be written as 14 by 5 multiply 1 by 6. Now 2 is common here, so 2 3 j 6 and 2 7 j 14 is equal to 7 by 15. Similarly, here numbers are in mixed numerals, so convert into improper fraction. 6 whole 3 by 5 is equal to 5 6 j 30 plus 3 33 by 5 divided by 12 4 j 48 plus 7 55 by 12 equal to 33 by 5 multiply 12 by 55 3 11 3 j 33 11 5 j 55 equal to 12 3 j 36 by 5 multiply 5 25 equal to 1 whole 11 by 25. Now properties of division of fractional numbers. A fraction divided by 1 is the fraction itself. Any fractions divided by 1 is the number itself, is the fraction itself. So for example, 3 by 5 divided by 1 equal to 3 by 5 multiply the reciprocal of 1, that is 1, equal to 3 by 5. Similarly, 0 divided by any fraction is 0. 0 divided by 3 by 5 equal to 0 multiply 7 by 3 equal to 0. A fraction divided by itself is 1. 9 by 7 divided by 9 by 7, it can be written as 9 by 7 multiply the reciprocal of 9 by 7, that is 7 by 9. So 7 1 j 7, 9 1 j 9 equal to 1. So a fraction divided by itself is 1. So remember, fraction divided by 1 is the fraction itself. 0 divided by any fraction is 0. A fraction divided by itself is 1. So worksheet 12, 4 by 5 divided by 4 by 5 equal to 1. B, 9 by 11 divided by 1 equal to 9 by 11. 3 whole 1 by 3 divided by 1 equal to 3 whole 1 by 3. 9 whole 1 by 3 divided by 9 whole 1 by 3 equal to 1. 6 whole 3 by 5 divided by 1 equal to 6 whole 3 by 5. F, 5 by 7 divided by 5 by 7 equal to 1. 0 divided by 3 whole 1 by 3 equal to 0. H, 0 divided by 1 by 5 equal to 0. Worksheet 13, page 71. Length of ribbon. Question, page 71. Page 71. Question 1a. A piece of ribbon is 5 whole 3 by 5 meter long. If it is cut into 14 equal pieces, what is the length of each pieces? So length of ribbon equal to 5 whole 3 by 5 meter. Convert mixed number into improper fraction. You will get 28 by 5 meter. Number of pieces equal to 14. The length of each piece equal to 28 by 5 divided by 14. Now convert division sign by multiply sign and write the reciprocal of the divisor. So it can be written as 28 by 5 multiply reciprocal of 14 is 1 by 14. Now 14 1 j 14, 14 2 j 28. It can be written as 2 by 5 meter. Your answer is 2 by 5 meter. The product of two fractions equal to 9. Question B. The product of two fraction is 9. If one of the fraction is 2 whole 1 by 7, find the other fraction. So write the product of two fractions equal to 9. One of the fraction equal to 2 whole 1 by 7 equal to 15 by 7. The other fraction equal to 9 divided by 15 by 7. Now it can be written as 9 multiply 7 by 15. 3 3 j 9, 3 5 j 15 equal to 7 3 j 21 by 5 equal to 4 whole 1 by 5. Now question C. It takes 1 by 2 minutes to cook one dosa. How many dosa can cooked in 1 by 4 hours? Time is taken to cook one dosa equal to 1 by 2 minutes, that is half minutes. And duration can be cooked equal to 1 by 4 hour equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 hour converting to minute. You know that 1 hour equal to 60 minute. So 1 by 4 multiply 60 minute equal to 15 minutes. Number of dosas can be cooked in 15 minutes equal to 15 divided by 1 by 2 equal to 15 multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, so equal to 30. Hence 30 dosas can be cooked in 1 by 4 hour. Now last question E. A pile of class 5 mathematics book has thickness of 14 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. If each book is 1 whole 1 by 5 centimeter thick, find how many books make up the pile. Thickness of a pile of mathematics book equal to 14 whole 2 by 5 centimeter. Convert this mixed number into improper fraction, you will get 72 by 5 centimeter. Thickness of one book equal to 1 whole 1 by 5 centimeter, that is 6 by 5 centimeter. Therefore, the required number of books equal to 72 by 5 divided by 6 by 5 equal to 72 by 5 multiply 5 by 6. So 5 1 j 5, 6 1 j 6, 6 12 j 72 equal to 72. Thank you. Have a nice day.